So I have two boxes here, both of which I've gotten from Amazon, and this box is mainly containing everything that I use every day. And these are also some things that I use, if not daily, on a weekly basis. In fact, daily as well. So right, I'll just quickly showcase my organization here. This is a deodorant and some lipsticks, and then I have some foundation, some sunscreen. This is a really good sunscreen that I'm currently using. And in the next line we have some glycolic acid from The Ordinary. And I'm not so regular with using this, but I really do want to have a consistent skincare, which I'm gonna implement very soon. This is another sunscreen that I got from a dermatology shop, and this is some rose water. This is a vitamin C based sunscreen again. And in the last line we have some turmeric aloe vera gel. This is something that you can use every day before going to bed. And this is a face scrub, something that I use weekly. And this is moisturizer, right? So this is another line where I have uric acid base cream. This helps with hyperpigmentation. This as well I got from a dermatology shop, pharmacy. And this is a hyaluronic based moisturizer. And now we have two shelves here, drawers I mean. This drawer contains all of my face powders. This is something that I use every day. You can see this is already used, right? And these are the two face powders that I used to use. I am actually used to these, that's why I have it. And O signifies as the old one and N is the new one. Really good powders. It also has some highlighter and some shimmer powder. Really elevates your look. The next shelf contains, or drawer, why am I messing it up? I don't know. But it has all the eye things, mascara, some eyeliner, kajal, some more mascara. Really good. I actually really do like the volume that this eyeliner gives me, and this is actually the best eyeliner I've ever gotten. And the second box contains something that I also use. This is a body lotion which also has some SPF. Really good perfumes. I actually am a big fan of vanilla based perfumes. These are something that I got from Instagram called Bisac, I guess. Yeah, really good perfumes. This is a perfume that I don't really use, but I didn't want to throw it because it's actually full. This is a talcum powder. This is Levan for my hair. Some more perfumes here. This is a nose strip, and this is a body scrub. It has a moisturizer and a scrubbing powder. Then I have some Zara perfume and some more freshener. And since this was a study table, I also have some pens here. Okay, and these are some more lipsticks. There's a lot of lipsticks here and some hair ties. And this is a curler come hair dryer and a style fit behind. And cool. So this is my setup. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.